Hey there, my natural beauties, welcome back. As you can see, today's look is very simple. It really just focuses on some bold lashes, a bold lip, and the ultimate glow. So since it's a very simple tutorial, I'm just going to allow you guys to listen to some music from my brother Fire Royal in your ear. Don't forget, thumbs up the video and also subscribe. All product details will be left in the description bar below, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Yeah, so she never been in love. Yeah, bang bang. She maintains composure, hard to read. Have up her firewall, insecurely secure, so she hard to breach. And if it a gonna make you know way too much, then she not gonna speak. But behind the shield of pure quality, and that me want to see. So run the risk, make we burn like handcuff from me wrist. Me over pure and that surround me with a cloud of love when I come out me spliff. Yeah, she stubborn, she not go humble quick. So she resist, all when it feels so right. Especially when it feel right, cause she never been in love. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been in love. Yeah. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been in love. She new to this, and she never blown a kiss. And she a wonder if me true to this. So she never been in love. Yeah. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been. Yeah. She said she find it strange, never connected to anyone, but me and her vibe for days. Tell me no exit her life, and she woulda like me stay, and me woulda like to stay. So what you think I did say? Girl, run the risk, make we bond like handcuff from me wrist. My aura pure and that surround me with a cloud of love when I come out me spliff. Yeah, she stubborn, she not go humble quick, so she resist all when it feels so right. Especially when it feel right, cause she never been in love. Yeah. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been in love. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been in love. She new to this, she never blown a kiss. And she a wonder if me true to this. So she never been in love. So she never be, so she never be. She maintains composure, hard for read. Have up her firewall, insecurely secure, so she hard for breach. And if it a gonna make you know way too much, then she not go speak.
Okay guys, the key to the lashes is really just doubling up. I'm using two different pair of lashes. I totally forgot the names. I'm going to however add the names to the description bar. You guys can go ahead down there, click below and check to see what lashes I'm using. But I am using two pairs to give it that really thick, full look.
Cause she never been in love. Yeah. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been in love. Yeah. So she never been, so she never been, so she never been in love. She new to this, she never blown a kiss. And she a wonder if me true to this. So she never been in love. Yeah. So she never been, so she never been, so she take the risk. Yeah. So she never been in love. Yeah. Bang bang. She maintains composure, hard to read. Have up her firewall, insecurely secure, so she hard to breach. And if it a gonna make you know way too much, then she not gonna speak. But behind the shield of pure quality, and that me want to see. So run the risk, make we burn like handcuff from me wrist. Me aura pure and that surround me with a cloud of love when I come out me spliff. Yeah, she stubborn, she not go humble quick, so she resist all when it feels so right. Especially when it feel right, cause she never been in love. So she never been, so she never be, so she never been in love, yeah. So she never be, so she never be, so she never been in love.
So here is the completed look, a radiant glow for girls with darker skin tone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at NaturallyMsToya. Thank you guys so much for 7,000 plus subscribers. Stay naturally beautiful. Until next time.
Yeah, she says she find it strange, never connected to anyone, but me and her vibe for days. Tell me no exit our life, and she woulda like me stay, and me woulda like to stay. So what you think I did say? Girl, run the risk, make we bond like